Welcome to the ANPS channel, student. Welcome to the part 2 of Sociology and Society. Today we are going to discuss about some sociological themes regarding what is sociological imaginations. So here, sociologists over several generations have drew attention on how the individual and societies are reasonably linked. Basically, that particular person, I just want to tell you, C. Wright Mill, the American sociologist, held the personal problem and public issues are interrelated. How it's interrelated, we can definitely see from that particular area. But before moving into that, we have to recapitulate few of our previous knowledge. But apart from that, we have seen here how sociological imagination individually work, and you can definitely see from here we are interconnected with some social or some transparent chain, right? So next thing is, you can definitely see from here the sociological perspective. What is, you can definitely see here that one person's followed by the another person's. It's a good thing for him. I view things from a sociological perspective. Observations are certainly impacted by the personal and impacted by the personal and perspectives through which people come to view the world. So you can see that that particular orangutan or gorilla followed by that particular person. Okay, that is called the sociological perspective. Next thing is, we can definitely go through sociological imagination, which we daily basis in daily notions we face from our family members, like our mother as well as our father. So you can definitely look that our father basically goes through that family and media. They basically earn for their family members, and after the end of the day they just watch TV. They just love to watch the TV and what's news going on about the media. Okay, and the second thing, in our mother, basically our mother notion is about us and public related thing like society. Like if we are wearing some clumsy and friendly clothes, somehow we have seen that our mother few times yelling at on us and telling that that particular things not goes up to the society, so you have to be dressed well as per the society. And somehow the public, like one things are there, log ka kya kahenge, that certain types of mentalities, what will people say, that going on. So sociological imagination, where the private issues become a public, poverty, violence and anorexia are going on. So next thing from that, you can definitely see one basic example, which right now a global issue, unemployment. It's a few years ago we can definitely see that through it's a private trouble, but right now through the condition 3 million people are unemployed. That is a public issue right now going on. And when one person is unemployed, that is totally private through the all over the area as per the man-land capita. Okay, so we can definitely see it from here. The C. Wright Mills, the American sociologist, the basically social imagination behind from that particular manner we have already seen about his notion from regarding that area, that through some changes we have already seen that few things are going totally change. Like he have said that troubles occur within the individual and within the immediate relations, and they have to do with the self, those social which he directly and personally aware. The issues do with the matters of transcendence and their facts of the contemporary history, also about the success and the failure individual men and women. And when the society of industrialized, peasants become a worker, a feudal lord liquidated or becomes a businessman, and when class rise or fall, a man is employed or employed. When the rate of investments goes up and down, a man takes heart, goes broke or up. When wars happen, an insurance salesman become a rocket launcher, a store clerk, a wife lives alone, and the society get understood, and the both understanding the both aspects we have seen as per the C, right meals condition. We can definitely see it from that particular area. Okay, and we have also seen that the Indira Gandhi Awas Yojana right now, which is going on about the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, totally shifted the name of that particular yojana. This yojana, basically we have seen that the Indira Gandhi Awas Yojana operationalized from 1999 to 2000, a major scheme by the government of Ministry Rural Development and Housing of Urban Development Corporation, and construct the houses of free cost, the poor and the homeless. So can you think the other issues that show the connection between the personal problem and public issues? And that particularly issues which going on right now, which few persons are homeless and all over the nations and country. Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas, under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, they can help, they can take facilities from here, like that the pattern of the house. Okay, if you go around Chhattisgarh and many places, like proper rural area, you can definitely see it out from that particular area. Yeah, Indira Gandhi Awas Yojana. Okay, next thing is we have to discuss from here pluralities and inequalities. So we have to look at from these background what are the pluralities and inequalities are. Like in Indian contemporary world, we belong in the sense to more than a society when admits the foreigner's reference to the our society and may mean Indian society, but when among us fellow Indians we may use the term our society to denote the linguistic and ethnic community or religious caste or tribal society. The diversity make the declining the society which basically declining, which about the difficult and but the perhaps difficult and mapping society are not confined. So sociologist as a comment below will show, while the reflecting on what focus on his films, the great Indian films maker Satyajit Ray are wondered. Like as per pluralities and inequalities, we can definitely show it from that PPT, that few things are there. You can definitely see from the pluralities or inequalities there are some the first image denotes that in job sectors, definitely few job sectors are totally getting placed by women, and basically fired the men, and basically few jobs are totally goes with the men, not for basically gender biased job candidates are selected, we have seen. And racisms are also there. We can definitely see that, you can see that other communities are there, and because of other communities the manager and boss fired that particular person because they want their own community in their job section. And a third image, you can definitely see that old person have greater experience than the freshermen, but the freshermen can perform better. So in that regarding, we have definitely seen the boss somehow getting puzzles and chosen particularly freshermen, and somehow we have seen that particularly on the other side they also have chosen the experienced one. So apart from this, we can definitely see if they choose particularly one, other is discriminated. So pluralities are there, and if you go around and look at the economic systems from that particular area, that first above sections is boss, second one is supervisor, and third one is the working class. Okay, red shirt on is the working class. So above on that, their money level is getting decreased, okay, as per the qualities, as per the working skill wise. And that the last image, you can definitely see that PWD candidate, some physical candidate getting fired because that particular area boss or supervisor wants a proper skilled person, those who don't have any physical retardness. So whenever we have seen the pluralities are there in any kind of job section, in any kind of institution section, also we have seen there are systematic inequalities are there. But apart from that, we have seen some diversity mix deciding which the society we are taking about difficult. The difficulty of mapping society is not confined to the sociologist alone. Many other people, including filmmaker like Satyajit Ray, and also faced some problem apart from making their own movies. Okay, so Satyajit Ray basically faced a lot of criticism. His movie basically he chosen particular one place in India, or basically a rural place in India, rather than choosing any proper scenic beauty places. So apart from this criticism, he just want to give a very clarified statement regarding his film, that what should put in your films and what can leave out? Would you leave the city behind and go to the village and where the cows gaze and the endless fields and the shepherd plays the flute? You make a film here that would be pure and fresh, happy dedicated rhythm of a boatsman's song, or would you rather go back in the time back and the epics where their gods demons took sides, the great battle where the brothers killed brothers? So, or would you rather stay where you are, right in the peasants, in the teeming, bristling in the city, and the try to orchestrate and drizzling contrast of the side and sound Malayu? Basically, he wants to say in that particular quotations, that quotations totally goes to Bengali quotation, but he just really define one things, that when a person criticize me or my film, he doesn't even a normal viewer. Okay, he have to play the role of a good teacher to criticize my movie, obviously, he just wants to say. And the next, Satyajit Ray, he just wants to say about the inequality, about the basic right now conditions, which is the basically public issue right now, poverty. Regarding that, poverty is not just a lack of money, it is not having the capability to realize one's full potential as a human being. So somehow we have seen that. Further, Amartya Sen illustrate how inequality is central to the difference among societies. For instance, and some are rich, some are not. While some are politically powerful, some others cannot influence the anything. Similarly, some are treated with the respect, others are really scared of a police, and the others like dirt. These different kinds of inequalities requires the serious attention, and he already wants to said that poverty is not just a lack of money. Okay, it's about having the capability to realize one's full potential as a human being. We obviously need to work on that particular regarding. Okay, so next thing is, from that particular area is few discriminations. We can definitely go through from few discrimination, which is buzz that fat and hunger kills the world. Many advertisements are going on. What is discuss the visuals, what kind of pluralities and inequalities do they show? You can definitely see from there the working class, the degradation labor. Okay, buzz that fat, few things. Okay, so I will show you from that thing from my next PPT, so you can guys definitely clear that thing. Few things they just need to talk about. right here, like introducing sociology. Few things like political aspect wise, you have already been acquainted with the sociological imagination, that the central concern of sociology. Before going to that, we can definitely see the poor child and the rich one child. That poor child don't have food, so apart from this, he need food, and hunger kills the world particular. See, he that particular person's going for the starvation, and on the other hand, which family, nuclear family members, those who have one child, and economically they are really benefited, so that particular childs are convicted by the obesity because of huge amount of getting food. So that is one types of inequalities are existed in the world. So, after introducing sociology, we can definitely see that sociological imagination and the central concern of sociology to study the society interconnected whole. Our discussions of individual choices, job market showed how economic and political families and cultural education institutions interconnected, and how individuals is both constrained yet can change the extents. And the next few chapters elaborate the different institution and culture. I will also focus on the key and terms which is enable and the society understand, and for the sociology study of human social life, groups of societies and subject matter to the behavioral beings, and sociology is the first subject to do so. People always observed and reflected upon the society's group in which they live, evident and writing. So that basically makes sense that we need to go upward. In introducing sociology part, we can definitely few things from here, that individual choice and job market shows the how economic and political how the economic and political families are interconnected. I just want to let you know one more thing, that sociology totally depends upon the behavioral aspects as well as the observation. You can right now, if you look around that particular types of situation, you can definitely understand the point of view. Okay, so basically that is the total economic system right now in our society, that this is government in middle who basically is a variable, and we are the individuals, we need some products. So how we are interconnected with each other, there is a always demand and supply. We can definitely see from here, like if I'm giving that particular area as an example, like resource market, that particular area producing diamond, okay, an individual needs right now the diamond. So what they do, somehow we can definitely see those who are professionals, those who are working that particular resource market, they can definitely directly get it from that particular area somehow, because we directly getting from that particular area, our income is generated. That green arrow represent the income is generated, and resources factories or productions are there, individuals are working on that resource market somehow. For that, but getting that diamond from individual area, we have to pay some taxes, transfer payments are there, public goods we also use by the order of government. And another thing is product market. If we go with that side, resource market available the diamonds in a business shop area like Tanishq, and many jewelries proper area. So jewelry shops areas are owned that particular places, that particular place is giving government with the subsidies, providing subsidies and taxes, have to pay the businessmen. And the ventures area, public good, they are also using for the transport, communications and supplies always are there. That's why product market launching that particular type like Tanishq and new advertisement wise, and individuals are getting attracted on that, and they have demand on that particular thing, so supplies are there. So as per that, product market also provides some taxes to government to generate more revenue, and we need that particular types of things, so we collect the good and services from product market as well as we spending our money. Okay, so apart from this, we can definitely see that total chain, okay, demand and supply as well as public goods, communication, transport systems are totally interconnected with each other. That's how depend on our economical system. Next is sociological subject matter is our own behavioral as social being. What basically it is, when we are at present in our society, okay, and on a daily basis we face a lot of incidents. When we try to act, first we have to observe, then we feel, then we think, and after that we act. Okay, that basically behavioral aspects going on, reactions are going on. Next thing is, we can definitely as per individualities, we have seen that some notions in our mind, that we have some personal beliefs apart from any regarding any point of view, and personal benefits also, and personal behaviors, which is very different in a same topic. Okay, which, so we can definitely see that the personal behaviors led to the personal benefits, which lets or influence the personal beliefs. We can definitely see from here. Next thing, we can see that observation create reflection on society, how it's happening right now. You have seen that pandemic situations going on, so we have observed the situation, then we try to analyze, collecting information that how cases are going on, then reflected on the data. If we need to go that particular places, so in our mind we are starting analyzing that particular places cases are rising or not, we have to watch in TV, then communicate with the others. We have to communicate with that particular places which we are thinking that we going to, so that's way we communicate from that particular area's person, or if our family members are existent or living in that particular places, that what types of cases are there, we need to visit your place. That's why, and after that we take actions. If we getting acquired that that particular area have no new cases or any rise in cases, we suddenly take actions that we have decided no, we have to go, or we didn't have to go, that particular types of thing. Okay, so you can definitely see that observations create reflections on society. Next thing is that notions of our daily life, that particularly our mother's notion. Okay, like doing house chores, okay, cooking, rearing us, okay, and go to the grocery store, making food for us, and that is particularly a normal adolescence period, or you can definitely say a working woman lifestyle. Okay, waking up, then changing clothes, washing herself, okay, take a bath, then take a her meal, after that do some yoga, and after that go for work, and afterward take care of herself as well as going to the grocery store. Next thing is sociology also talking about some morality and ethic values. So here you can definitely see what is moral and immoral, okay, and what is amoral. You can definitely see from here what is a moral act with the responsibility, and what is the immoral an act with the morals without consciousness, his or her liberty, and with the responsibility. We have definitely see, like, because sociology go with the very new and basic types of values, talk about the values and norms and each and everything. If we look around from that particular area, we can definitely see from here that observation of philosophy and the religious thinkers often about the moral and immoral human behaviors are existed, like from this area. Okay, like observations of philosophy and religious thinkers about the what is moral and immoral of human behavior, and about the desirable way of living about good societies, and concerned with the norms and values. So basically we have seen that sociology is totally talking about variety of social values and norms, and basically we have seen that moral and immoral or immoral behavior, good and bad sides, totally are existed in our mentality. Okay, if we have any kind of, we face any kind of situations, we can definitely in our mind some of good side and some of bad side, but it depends. Somehow we react in a positive way, and somehow we can definitely react in some negative way. So that's it for today. Okay, next session I'm going to discuss some ethic values about the sociology, how it deals with it. Okay, so see you soon for next session. Thank you very much.